On top of the morning this morning, guys. Yeah man, up and active as usual. I trust that you all are feeling quite fine. Yeah man. Today's video is one of them video where I'd say just start out in a weird way, I'd say. Yeah man, but in a positive way. The other day I'm running a situation, guys. Yeah man, nothing negative now. Yeah, but trust me, it's an experience unlike any other. Yeah, and living, let's say you live and you learn, you know.
People, my ends are reason. Him suggest to me say, stay focused, stay in line, and new steamer forward. You see? You know the last with my aims record of him showing a priest there. Stay in line, stay focused.
But before we go into that, guys, I've been living in this here community for quite some time now, couple of decades. Well, not couple of decades, couple of years. Almost a decade now. And for the time that I'm here for, it's been extremely challenging where water is concerned. The water condition in the community is very, very, very poor. I'm not the type of person to address stuff like this because most of the time when you do address stuff like this, nothing really happen, and if something should happen, you know, mind shop you get bashing. Whoa, big bro. The mind shop you get bashing. Yeah man, and whole heap of backlash behind it. But sometimes you have to talk for what you want. And I'm the type of person that is always cleaning. Always. Yeah man, cleanliness is next to godliness. And without water you can't clean. Most folks in the community just sit around and don't say anything. Say nothing, none at all. But this is me saying, it is impossible to live in a community where the water source is above the community and you cannot get any water. When you do get little water, God bless what you see in the pipe. Yeah man. And there's this energy where when you talk out on stuffs like water problem in the community and other stuff, when I say 40 guys, but I realize you get a certain feedback, but life is what it is, you know. Yeah man, I'm not gonna live under certain people's stigma or certain energy. Yeah man, we are weed out the bad weed them, and it start from yassa. No joke. Very few persons find it easy to be true to themselves. Some people find it hard to be true to themselves. Yeah man, when you see me pointing my camera in the opposite direction, you know what it means, guys. Yeah man, them folks don't want to be a part of whatever take place on camera. Yeah man, morning. So you can't just show people on the camera just like that. For me, yeah man, respect your privacy. I don't think it's right for just show people on the internet or in a video without them consent. Yeah man, so anything you see my video is because that's the way I can do my video at the moment. When I have a try to go overboard and go out of my way for do nothing for gain likes or perks or any little thing. Yeah man, this to me it is bigger or far bigger than just me. Yeah man, but you never know what the future holds. So I have to make sure that when I upload a footage or a video, it is something that can, you know, inspire ones, whether it be for just show love or, you know, help to build tomorrow, make tomorrow a better day. But so you go guys, enough for the chit chatting. Yeah, chat like you don't know what to say, but we're gonna get into the video and this is it. Come on yard man. I love little water in that pipe, guys. No joke. As Biggs would say, guys, love and love alone. You know the energy go up and active. Today I'ma take Mommy Monica to the health center. Yeah man. And then run on over to Rocky Point. You know the energy go. DJ Diligent pop by and spend some time with the yard family. Yeah man. As I said from before, love and love alone. Come on yard man. A nice little journey if you go by Rocky Point. Yeah man, so I trust that you all like, share and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, It's a blessing.
Mama? 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 Mama?
It's my regular spot. Yeah, man. You know the energy go. Mango season. I'm there I try to get a fruit things before my run go up the hill. Yeah, man. Funny enough, I have mommy money coffee carry. Oh, that blessings. Yeah, man. Big bro pass through, you know. Yeah, man. But as I was saying, guys, I have mommy money coffee carry go up by the clinic. Yeah, man. I have to carry go drop her off. But before me do that, man, I'll try to get a mango feed. Yeah, man, but now I get the opportunity to climb the tree, guys, so I'm going to see if I can find a drop one. You dog, I mess up the place.
I here today.
Mm-hmm.
Since me got clinic.
Okay.
If I was the type of person who just use
My foot no bad, so my foot well up, you know, but
bless up, morning, bless up, general.
Still a check up one.
then say me still have to come through there.
You can check it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, little just keep receipt, man. All you need to heal up your receipt. See, you know, wait till 100%. I'm pressure it, anything you move, any little thing you call me, you call big if we're not ready. Short, see how we will get somebody to come by. You get a little item, Mr. Reedy. Blessings. Morning.
Yeah, right in a clinic.
Morning, now bouncer, yeah.
Right in a clinic, yeah, go now.
Up a bicycle.
You call him and remember me now have your number, you know.
Oh, me know, let's check.
Then you tell us making you know, you tell us you man tell us text. Yeah.
Where do you roll out?
No, sometimes she wants in the chair.
Oh, sometimes
Passing through, yeah? Yeah. Blessings. Already, me love the changes. Yeah, man. The place beautiful. Yeah, guys, me just drop off Mommy Monica at the health center. This is in Trinityville, St Thomas. Yeah, man. Before now, the road did bad. Trust me, guys. But them pave it and the place look beautiful. Love the changes, man. Special shout out to all them guys who work at the health center. Keep getting up, getting about, getting out there and doing the right thing. It's a blessing, man. But now I run back on the road, guys. So you know the energy go. This is yeah, that's it.
With seed in it and all them sitting there. The one with the seed in it are the best one. You know that? The one with the seed. That one had the seed with it. I find I would have a straight out of it. Where we go to that shop? We're going to go to never go there. I have a bad phone. No, you only next to a bad phone. That way it. I'm not bad phone.
go again, guys. Yeah, man, you're board back the spacecraft and we're ready to go. Active up. Yeah guys, so we just reached Rocky Point, yeah man, beach, but overall, due to the music and stuff, you know me already, yeah man, always I keep it natural, so we kind of cut out the background, so something there. Yeah man, but you know the energy go guys, it's getting late and it's dark, yeah man, I don't have any proper lighting I'd say, yeah man, but I still catch a few footages for you all, but you know it's something go, we're up and about and we're there at Chaco. That is it.
First and soap there, fam.
What of it?
Wash out, man, them want some soap.
Say one of them. Say get them. Three of them big size and the last one. I want this.
Let's get a plate. Plate with early man. Let's take up one.
Fish in a plate. Fish in a plate.
No, let's take up anyone. See if out them here.
We're still in a phone.
Full energy that man. Put the cheese in there,
Hold on. Yeah guys, this is what Biggs are shell down in the night. Yeah man, Brian fish that and yeah man. My own, you know a special thing, man. Grotto guys. You can't follow me, huh? But when you chapter guys, you know, you go up and active on Ian's record diligently. J Biggs and Brian and Taban and the whole family. What they are chapter man. Guys, you know the energy go. I go put away this one. Yeah man. This is my one guys. This time I'm not start chow down yet. So I'm show you all it. Before me start, well, you know it's something bro. I put this away, like right now. Come on yard guys, you know.
Yes man, Ian's Records and J Biggs Records in the place with Team Diligent. We're out and Go System Boss out too. See that one J Biggs.
One team, one dream, that is it man. Active man.
Bad chef.
Art love.
Steam Fish.
Yeah man, you have to check
Ian's.
it. Taban Black. What you call it again? Yeah, Rocky Point. Yeah, guys, my bad. Me always attend to forget my words, guys. I don't know why, but you know it's something go there and a whole heap of love there yard. Ian's record there, chill with the family. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. Big Zero on a corner, big bro there, see him way. Beside, yeah, man. But give it some time, guys. This is just a sneak preview of what is to come. I'm gonna show you all around in a few. Yeah, man. That is it. Blessings, man.
Every time after love my father, as I will say, love alone, God alone.
That is
God
it.
and
That is
time.
it.
One
That is
is
it.
boss.
One up top.
Fully and stay so.
That
Brother,
is it.
bad Jummy.
Yeah, man.
Father, you know,
Real fish.
them can't stop with don't tall, them try. Wonder where they a go do ya know?
That is
Do
it.
ya know? Boy, pull up outside in a something like flight. Me with the money, Kyle Water, ride spaceship, ask me, what that ya jive? All I who a try to style me nap time. You know, see my future bright to flashlight. Know when me know, avoid me dark side. Walk wide, real dog with map ties. Last boy, this me link me third time. Nobody no go on my thing now. No it.
That is it.
One really I got.
This is yard as is Jamaica yard life.
Yeah.
We're up and active and we're there spend a whole heap of time with friends and family. You know it's something called love and love alone, and that we are promote at the moment. Stick around, man. A lot more to come. That is it. Yeah, guys, you know where energy go. When you come and link up with Taban, yeah man, this is what Taban have to offer. Yeah man, steam fish on the grill, outdoor styles. On the beach side, I throw a night now guys, I'll give you a preview in the day of how the place looks somewhat. Yeah man, because I don't catch a lot of footage, but I catch enough, just enough for y'all can see. While going a yard, it's a blessing man. You know it's something go. Go up and active and just stay here and enjoy the country for what it is, nothing more, nothing less. Active man.
Yeah, yard lifestyle, you don't know they're on Rocky Pipe Beach, Jordan attack. Yeah, that me know and me I drink a cup of boom. Yeah, game will start. Come, my play. Alright, them say I my play. Alright. What that? That's 3S. Come, your play. Light pass. Yeah, double six, boy boss and pass, I win. And where him come from?